When you're drafting a document such as an answer to a complaint or discovery, you probably find yourself using a few of the same phrases over and over. Rather than going back and recopying those snippets repeatedly, or worse, retyping them, use the Microsoft Word Clipboard to quickly access the Windows Clipboard and paste multiple snippets again and again. You can view the current contents of the clipboard by clicking the launcher arrow in the lower right-hand corner of the Paste area on the Home tab. As you copy text within your documents, they will accumulate within the clipboard, and you can view them and work with them within the Clipboard pane on the left. Want to reuse a particular snippet? Simply place your cursor where you want to drop it, then click the item in the clipboard to paste it. If you copy an item that you're pretty sure you're not going to use again in that particular document, you can delete it from the clipboard to keep it cleaned up. Click on the right side of any entry, and you'll get this drop-down. If you're ready to clear out the clipboard completely, you can use that Clear All button at the top. Want to make the clipboard pane larger or smaller? Simply hover your mouse over the border until the cursor shape changes. Then hold down your left mouse button and drag the mouse left or right as needed. Here's one extra tip. You know how when you're drafting an answer to a complaint, you'll often repeat the phrase, "The remaining allegations of paragraph whatever are denied," or something like that. If you're using automatic paragraph numbering, you can embed that current paragraph number into that phrase. When you copy it to the clipboard, that field remains active, so you can always have the correct paragraph number regardless of how many times you paste it. While I do have a full tutorial on that technique, here's the quick and dirty demonstration of how to embed the current paragraph number inside a paragraph. First, let me emphasize that I am using automatic paragraph numbering. That's critical to what I'm going to demonstrate. To embed the current automatic paragraph number within paragraph 4 here, I'm going to go to the Insert tab and click Quick Parts, Field. Within that list of fields, I'm going to choose a field called Style Ref. In the field properties on the right, I'm going to choose List Paragraph as the style name, then check the box next to Insert Paragraph Number and click OK to insert that paragraph number. That's something I'm going to want to reuse as I draft this document, so I'm going to select it and copy it using Control-C. You'll notice that that's now available within the Clipboard pane. Now you may notice, as you reuse this particular snippet, that it doesn't seem to update. Don't worry, it's not broken. All you have to do to force any field to update is to right-click on it and choose Update Field. Or you can select all of the text in your document at once with Control-A and then press the F9 key to force every field in the document to update.